Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aika. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing something that my mom actually bought for herself. I'm super excited. I purchased all of these items for her, but she doesn't want any boxes, she doesn't want anything, just the little pouches. So I asked her if I could do the unboxing and share what she got with you guys, because the packaging is just so beautiful and I don't want it to go to waste. And my family is very supportive of my YouTube channel, so she said, of course, do it, film it. And so here we are. We've got this massive, super heavy Van Cleef bag over here. I've actually never seen such big bags from Van Cleef, and we have quite a lot of goodies. She purchased 2 items here. The third one wasn't available, so she bought it back home, but I will include a photo of it because she sent me a couple. And then we also got a few gifts from Van Cleef. They were so kind because I basically asked them for a discount, because usually such big stores can do some sort of discount if you buy some expensive pieces. This time they couldn't, because these were really the very last pieces they had in store, but they offered us some gifts, and it's still quite nice from them to do that. So without any further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. Okay, what should we start with? I'm gonna just grab everything I have. So we've got the first box over here, and I mean, look at this packaging. It's so beautiful. The ribbon is just gorgeous. I was looking very closely at how my essay did that, and I was so fascinated because the technique is just amazing, the way she does it. And we have 4 little goodies, and I think this is the last one, and this is it. We've got this, it's like a little booklet from Van Cleef, and then I have the receipts and the certificates, but whatever, who cares about them? Let's start with, I'm not even sure which one is what, to be honest, but I think let's start with the biggest box. Oh my god, it is so gorgeous, and I honestly don't want to open it, but I know I have to. These boxes take up so much space in the suitcase, so it makes sense that I leave them here, and then whenever my family is around they can pick them up if they need them. But for now I'm keeping everything, and this ribbon is just now gone but it was beautiful. It took a little bit of time, but here we go, the beautiful box. It's so pretty. And then we've got another box on the inside. It's in this beautiful olive green color and in sweat leather. I think it's sweat leather, maybe it's some kind of fabric similar to it. Are you ready? Oh my god, I want to see what's inside. Wow, I picked the right item. It's so gorgeous. And the item that she got, the first item, is dun 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 dun. Oh my god, it's so stunning. I'm so excited for my mom to have this. This is actually her very first pieces from Van Cleef, and she went all in. She really loves this Le Perlee collection, and she has decided to go for the gorgeous, gorgeous bracelet. It's in yellow gold with diamonds inside, and it's just so beautiful. I'm gonna try and make my camera focus on the bracelet so you can see it better. I think it's in focus and you can see it. It is so beautiful. It's such a special piece. I think this one is in size medium. They come in 3 different sizes, no, even 4 different sizes. So there is extra small, small, medium and large. If we're talking about Cartier sizes, that would be size 17, and that's my mom's regular bracelet size. But how beautiful is it? It's so stunning. Let me take it out of the box and we can take a closer look at this beautiful bracelet. It is just a perfection. It's so stunning. Oh my god, I'm so jelly because I've always wanted this bracelet, but I'm obviously too young and I don't have the money to buy it right now, but hopefully in the future I'll be able to get myself one or two as well, because it's so beautiful. La Perlee collection, in my opinion, is one of the most beautiful ones from Van Cleef. The only two that I really like is Alhambra and this one. I think this one is just stunning. It is similar to the Love bracelet. I have one over here, but it is thicker. It has the beautiful flowers, the VCA flowers all over, and the diamonds on the inside, and we've got this pearly detail in gold around the bracelet. And now let's move on to the second box. It is wrapped the same way. It's so beautiful. Let me actually try and just get it off the box instead of undoing it completely, because it's so beautiful. We've got the ribbon of the box. We've got again another box. Let's take it out as well, and this is another beautiful piece. And dun 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 dun. Oh no, here they are. Oh my god, she got herself the matching earrings, and they are just beautiful. They're like these hoop earrings that go around your ear, and what's interesting about this pair, I've noticed this in the store and I was like, wait, but what is this? I didn't know that about them, so I'm gonna take only one out. First of all, you need to look at this part to see which ear the earring should go to. And then over here we've got the beautiful flowers again with the diamonds, but at the bottom here there are no diamonds, and this was my question, why aren't there any diamonds? Have they fallen off? But actually, let me open the earring so you can see it better. All the diamonds are now on the inside. So once you put the earring on and it's hanging like this, from the back, people will actually see the rest of your diamonds on the inside of the earring. And I think this is so smart and it looks so beautiful. The earrings were kind of difficult to find. I think they came from Turek, so Turek still had one pair available. It's also in yellow gold with diamonds. Very last thing that my mom bought herself was the matching ring. I don't have it with me because I wasn't the one buying it here. It wasn't available in her size. It was completely sold out everywhere, and I'm gonna insert a picture that she showed me. It is stunning as well, and now she has the full set of everything. I'm gonna share all the prices with you because I know a lot of you guys might be interested, although you can find prices on the website. The bracelet was 24,400 Swiss francs. That's, I would say, around 25, maybe a little bit over $25,000, and the earrings were, I believe, 12.7, and that's around 13.5 USD. And for the ring, originally in here it retails for 10.5 Swiss francs, around 11.5 USD. So these are the prices. And now I also wanted to share with you a few things that we received as like small gifts from VCA family. The first one is, again, it's for my mom. This is the Beautiful Perfume. I'm not gonna open this one because I want her to do it because it's for her. Then I also received a small gift from Van Cleef. We couldn't decide between two perfumes and I really loved both of them, and Maise was like, okay, you can choose one for your mom and then you can get yourself another one. And I got the one that's called Bois Doré. It was so beautiful, and I'm gonna open this one because it's for me. Yay! It smells really, really nice, and these perfumes are not the ones you can get from like a regular perfume store, I think, because I've never seen them over there. And this is something like a unisex perfume, so both men and women can use them. Here is the beautiful box. It's so pretty, and inside we've got the perfume itself. It is so nice and the scent is so beautiful. It also has this tiny little Van Cleef charm over here. I'll take it out. Yes, the scent is really, really nice. It smells so good. So here is the packaging. It's like this black bottle, and it's the same thing over here. The last gift that we received from Van Cleef, it's not from Van Cleef actually, it's from this brand called Bernardo. It's really beautiful as well. I showed it to my mom. I described her what it is inside, and she was like, oh no, I don't want that, you can keep it. So I'm like, yay, 2 presents for me. And here is the packaging from inside, and ta-da, it's this beautiful porcelain tray. No, it is actually Van Cleef and Arpels. It says Bernardo exclusive gift designed for Van Cleef and Arpels. Yeah, how pretty is this? It reminds me of something you would get at an Hermes store, and since we moved into our new apartment, I think it would be such a beautiful addition, and I could put it somewhere in the living room, in the bedroom. It's just a cute little catch-all thing. I don't even know what to use it for, because I recently bought something for the keys, so that we already have, but over here I could probably put like my candles or something. I actually have one candle right here. The candle I have, it's from Diptyque, and it's from the winter collection, the one I was talking about on my previous video about amazing luxury gift ideas under $100. It smells like Christmas tree, and I think I could put it right in here. It is so pretty, and the colors sort of match. This plate has some green colors over here, and I think they would look very, very cute together. So this is the last gift that I received from Van Cleef. Well, my mom did, and I think it's really pretty. Anyway, that's it for my today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment. What do you think about my mom's new set? I'm so excited for her to finally get them and put them on and show me how everything would look together. I'm pretty sure it's gonna look so fab. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!